Peace, lovies. It's Amira, also known as Blissfully Mindful, back at you with another Blissful Chit Chat. So, this week we are talking about how to lucid dream. So, stay tuned.
You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
All right. I am back. We are ready to lucid dream. You all, let's learn some lucid dreaming techniques. We are going to jump right into it because we have quite the list here and I want to get through everything and not take all day. If you have not already been here, subscribe to this channel, turn your post notifications. I do all things manifestation. We talk about metaphysical things on here, little metaphysical chit chats. We talk about life, love, and expansion. I have meditation videos, ASMRs, subliminals, you name it, anything feel good is on this channel. So definitely subscribe and we're going to jump right into it. I got my little list here, about to put on my glasses. You all know how I got to put, I got to put on my glasses all the time. Okay, let's go, you all. All right, number one, as far as our lucid dreaming techniques, reality checks. So reality checks, if you all saw Inception, you will know what a reality check is. A reality check is like, for me, the easiest way to do a reality check is sort of set your clock at certain times for the day. And so each day it goes off at that same time. And just do a reality check. You could pinch yourself. You could tap yourself. If you have some kind of object, you can, I have right here rubber bands. So say you use this purple rubber band every time, and maybe you do this to the rubber band, anything to let you know, you ask yourself, am I dreaming or is this reality? So that's what a reality check is. And you just do it throughout the day. What that's going to do is it's going to transfer to the dream world when you're dreaming. And it'll get all up into your subconscious mind. So when you're dreaming, you'll do the reality checks. And then you'll know, okay, if you're in a dream, then maybe the rubber band will behave differently. You know what I mean? I know in a dream, you can't even see your body. So you won't even see yourself doing that with the rubber band. So you'll know you're dreaming. You know what I mean? You'll know you're dreaming versus awake. So that's a reality check. So that's one. Number two, dream affirmations. Of course, you can do those. There are tons of those on YouTube. Find you some dream affirmations. Recite those to yourself daily, maybe in the morning and then at night, especially right before you go to bed. Maybe or listen to the dream affirmations. Definitely those work. Number three, mindfulness meditation. Of course, same thing like the affirmations, just do a meditation to induce lucid dreaming. And I would say preferably right before you go to bed, maybe do that meditation, or anytime between 2 and 5, maybe, and we'll get into another technique as far as the 2 and 5 time frame, 2 and 5 a.m. But let's keep going. Number four, induced sleep paralysis. Now, I know a lot of people are terrified of sleep paralysis. It is not your enemy. Honestly, it is the gateway to lucid dreaming, okay? And once you accept that, you won't be afraid of it anymore, and you'll use it for the tool that it is. It is a powerful tool. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I mean, when you experience sleep paralysis, that is when you can lucid dream. That's when you can astral travel, because you realize that you're dreaming. And that's all you have to do. Just calm yourself down first, just calm down, get yourself in a calm state. And just say, oh my gosh, I'm dreaming. Where do I want to go? Let me go here, and trust you will astral travel there just like that in an instant. Or, oh, let me see if I can do this. You can do things in your dream state that you can't do in your waking state. And so when you experience the sleep paralysis, you can use that as the tool, because obviously, at the point of sleep paralysis that you are lucid dreaming. So it's a tool. There's nothing to fear about it. It seems scary initially because you don't realize, usually when we are asleep, we don't realize we're dreaming. We don't realize then that we are in a sleeping state, which is why it's lucid dreaming when you do realize it. So yeah. So induce sleep paralysis. And I have done some techniques to induce sleep paralysis. Like there, you can lay there and just absolutely do not move your body, you know. And it's when you, the longer your body is still, it starts to go to sleep before your mind. You know, before your mind shifts from the conscious mind to the subconscious mind. So the longer you are able to keep your body perfectly still, you will induce sleep paralysis, because then your body will have gone to sleep, but your mind, you know, is still very alert in the conscious state. So that's definitely a way. I've definitely done that firsthand. It does work. Okay. Number 5. I'm sorry, you all got my little list here. Number 5, self-hypnosis to program yourself to lucid dream. So again, that's very similar to the affirmations, to the meditation. You know, just do a self-hypnosis. Get yourself in a very relaxed state, you know, and induce the lucid dreaming. You know, induce yourself to sleep, basically. Induce yourself to go to sleep. There are several self-hypnosis videos, again, on YouTube that help you with that. That's probably the best place, honestly, because they really are some really good ones on here. I don't have one on that particular. I have some self-hypnosis videos, but I don't have one, I don't think, on lucid dreaming. But maybe I might make one. So that's another way. Oh my God, this one here, this is the one I was referring to earlier, the wake back to bed technique. Love this one, number 6, wake back to bed technique. I have done this one several occasions when I was first starting out and trying to activate some lucid dreaming for myself. That one is super, super effective. So that one works best, like I said, between 2 and 5 a.m. And the way I used to do it, I would set my my little alarm on my phone but it wasn't a loud alarm. It was very subtle, because I wanted to wake up and I wanted it to feel like a more natural, you know, waking up, and not so forced, like when you have that bam, bam, bam. Like I didn't want that kind of alarm. So I had like sort of like a Zen sort of one that just sort of woke me up, you know, like gradually and more naturally. But when you wake up and during those hours and go back to sleep, it is highly probable that when you go back to sleep, you will have a lucid dreaming experience. And I've done that one, like I said, several times. For me, that is the most powerful one on this list. So definitely, definitely try that one. And all, like I said, you just wake up and then go back to bed. You go back to sleep. You know, and you should be good and sleepy, because it's like in the middle of the night anyway. You know what I mean? It's almost like if you woke up to go to the restroom and you went back to bed. You know what I mean? You should be able to go right back to sleep. But trust, you will have a lucid dreaming experience with that one. That one is super, super powerful. Okay, number 7, binaural beats. Of course, same like the meditation, the subliminals. There are certain frequencies, binaural beats, and that you can listen to that will induce lucid dreaming. I have several on here on my channel, so definitely check those out. But there's bunches of those on my channel actually, so definitely check those out. But they will induce lucid dreaming, you know, the certain frequencies. So definitely listen to those. Number 8, DILD, DILD, dream-induced lucid dreaming. So dream-induced lucid dreaming, all that is while you're dreaming, doing one of those reality checks, you know, to realize that you are lucid dreaming. And so that one is just one while you're already asleep and you're dreaming. And it's something you just kind of have to start to get yourself used to doing when you're dreaming, is asking yourself in the dream, am I dreaming? Or looking for signs that things are just unusual, you know what I mean? Like maybe people going the opposite way on the escalator that you would see them going in the waking state, you know, stuff like that. Just weird little things, weird little nuances in the dream that make you know it's a dream. That's all that is. Okay, so number 9, last one, is the subliminal induction. So that one again, just watch some subliminal videos. It's just like the meditation, the binaural beats, the same things, the self-hypnosis. There are tons. Oh my God, what is that chant? I'll try to put it in the description box, but there's a channel that that has some really good, this guy does some really good a really good job at his videos for lucid dreaming, and exceptionally well. So I definitely want to find it and put it in the description box below, so just check it out. But he does some good subliminal lucid dreaming subliminal videos. So anyway, check a lot of those out. I wish you all the best in your lucid dreams. Share any techniques that you have in the comments below that I did not cover. And because the rest of us, we want as many options as we can, okay? Especially for something like this, because it's pretty important. Lucid dreaming opens the gateway to so much of your expansion, and your conscious awareness. It does so much for us. So it's almost like step one. It's something you really want to get in tune with and really want to get adept at. So definitely get started. Comment below on how it goes for you. Okay, let me take these glasses off because now I can't see. Comment below on how it goes for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Turn on your post notifications. Like I said, I do this every week. Let's get this video to at least 15 likes, and head on over to my blissfully.mindful on Instagram. Follow me there as well, and I will see. Oh, and don't stop by my website at blissfullymindful.life. Get your copy of Love Yourself, damn it. It's the love month. So get your copy. That book, man, I pour my heart and soul on that. It's like a self-paced therapy book, and you're going to learn about yourself. You're going to grow. You're going to expand. You are going to ready yourself for the relationship of your dreams, the life of your dreams. If you're in a relationship, it's going to improve your relationship because you're going to improve. It does so much for your life. So definitely check it out over on my website. And I will see you all next time. Sunflower Smooches. Peace and love. I love you all bunches. Mwah.